So hi guys, today we bought actually from the different store, and it's actually like a discount store, and we bought soybean drink. It's like a soy milk. It's also we will try with Madam Mukash, and we will make a new short so you can see our actually how it tests and everything. Okay, and what else we bought? We bought peanuts. It's snacks for us, spicy flavor and garlic flavor, and also sausages for the breakfast. And this one, it's a small scissors. It's all cheap, and actually it really costs not much. Here's the receipt, as you can see, and below the video we'll include the price and also the store that we bought. We're still in Kuala Lumpur, so that's it guys.